So, yung nature tripping then, it's reshaping our mental health somehow. So, kung may mga nagpapaganda ng katawan, um, kung ano-ano mga retoke ginagawa sa mukha and any part of the body. So, just the same. Parang ito din yung way to make our soul, our mind in an aesthetic way. So, parang ganun yung conversion niya. Kung i-explain natin. So, tingnan nyo naman how magnificent the view is. So, tingnan nyo. So, overlooking yung Mount Banahaw. So, as I said, hindi siya yung typical na nakikita natin day to day. So, ayan. So, bilad-bilad sa araw while having coffee. Anyway, going back to the camping adventure, it's not actually comfortable in any way. You are comforting yourself in other ways. So, kino-comfort natin yung minds natin para mas lalo tayong parang magkaroon ng booster pagbalik sa real world. So, yun. Yun yung pinaka-essence nung camping or any nature tripping adventures. Yun. So, as I said, hindi siya madali kasi kailangan ng effort to come over. So, medyo ano po tayo, medyo high altitude. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan ng medyo powerful na sasakyan. However tayo, minivan lang tayo. But, it actually was a successful ride. Ayan. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung setup natin dito. Okay. So, tingnan nyo naman. Meron tayong hammock dito. Ayan. So, napaka-cute niya kagabi. Ayan. Sobrang lamig dito. Ayan, yung setup natin for coffee and ready na for breakfast. Doon. Tingnan natin yung load natin dito. Ayan, so we have our power bank and lahat ng stuff. Andyan na. So ready na for breakfast tayo. And also, tingnan natin si Ketchup. Ayan, so dito natulog si Kuya Jerry. Ayan. Okay. So, ano pa ba yung benefit? Para sa akin, it keeps your mind busy. So, maiiwasan natin yung isip kung ano-ano. So, instead of entertaining negativity, so, andito tayo. Nagde-nature tripping tayo. And, this is really 101% beneficial. Okay, so, kuya, yung mga people out there na gustong mag-try, so, start as soon as you can and as long as you can. Okay? So, wag nating hayaan na ma-overshadow tayo ng mga problems natin. Just because we are burdened with lots of things. So, wag nating sayangin. So, let's enjoy nature. Let's consider everything a gift from God. And of course, magbigay din tayo ng pasasalamat sa mga tao na sumasakay sa trip natin. Ano? So, yan. Kagaya nito. Paparating. Si Kuya Jerry. Say hello. So, until our next discussion, Istorya ni Maestra. Bye!